What are classifications? Think of it like this. You have a dictionary. This is the dictionary. And in the dictionary, you have a letter A. Under the letter A, you have all of the words that start with the letter A. Well, that's how classifications work, except for its numbers. So let's say you have a number 25. That's the classification for clothing. And then you have all of the items that falls under clothing. If you have a clothing line, that is the classification that you want to trademark it in. Now, if you also offer services with your clothing line, if you have wardrobe consultations, or if you do anything else within that, or if you also sell coffee mugs or anything like that, you also need to protect it or trademark the name in those categories or classifications as well. That way, you're completely protected, because if you don't, then someone else can trademark it in another classification, and then you can end up infringing upon their trademark, even though it's the same name, but it's because your protection was only for your classification, whereas their protection is for their classification. So that is how you end up having two companies with the same trademark, but different products or services. So for example, Dove, you have Dove body wash, you have Dove chocolate. Two separate companies, two separate trademarks, two separate industries. That's how classifications work. They're basically categories. So I hope that was helpful. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment, let me know. You can always slide in my DMs. If you have a question regarding your specific matter, make sure you schedule a consultation, because I do not answer things to your specific matter in my DMs, because that's technically kind of giving legal advice, and I do not do that in my DMs. This video is also not legal advice. This is for educational purposes only, and I'll see you guys in the next one.